We're gonna show everybody how you can eat. Here you go. Baby boy is chewing. Yummy. Little pieces of cereal. Yum yum. Here you go, some more. Yum yum. Here's some more. And when they get off track or appear to be lost, Mom, that's good. Instead, lovingly but firmly help them find their way back on the right path. Thanks, Mark. Yeah. Well, that is good. Listen and learn right now at parentingtodaysteens.org. There you go. If you're married, I hope you'll stay tuned. If you're thinking of being married, stay tuned. If you're single, maybe you've been divorced, and you want to learn a little bit about the power of affection. What is affection? Right there. How powerful is it in marriage? What does it mean? There you go. And if you're not getting Yummy. It, I say you're starved for affection. So much so that I had so much response the first time I you're not done.
On the topic of being
Sorry.
Starved for affection, that we wrote a book. Meaning me, wrote a book on the topic, Starved for Affection. That has been
you're not done. Still in your mouth.
And available around the world. We've been helping people understand that the power of affection works in our lives. I wrote this book, Affection, after teaching a series on the topic and getting so many people to respond.
Yay, chewing, Alex. Good job. Say bye-bye.
So let me give you this.
Can you say bye-bye?
These are the symptoms of being starved for affection, and I'm going to open the lines and try to help you deal with this starvation in your life.